let's say you're trying to close some distance, like Frank is standing a little bit further away from me. Right? Kind of extended this north-south line. Right? So look here, right? Knee is not going to cut it. Switch step, knee is not going to cut it. I can't just pivot. Well, how about close the distance? I don't want to just go, okay, Frank, stand there. Right? The person you love is the person that walks straight at you. Because they're the easiest person to hit. Right? I tell people, when in doubt, just throw a right cross. If you're not sure what to hit them with, take your right hand, keep it up beside your face, and go straight down that center line. So, right knee, like I said, is not going to land. And I can use my feet, slide. And everybody knows the joke, right? The first thing I do in the basic class is go shuffle up, shuffle back, shuffle up, shuffle back. It's the simplest, and then the Chinese martial arts has long said the simplest and also the most advanced thing is the footwork, right? It's true. Nobody talks about it. Everybody's talking about like the fears they're going to have after class, when they're talking to their friends, but this is really one of the most important things you can learn. So, when I want to go forward, normally 1, 2, but can also be 1, 2. This is a slide right knee. Right knee in place. If I'm going north on the north-south axis, step, slide. And I tell you, usually the second part is also important because I don't want to just do this now. Right? So what I want to do is, like with tide, I want to roll in and I want to roll out. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. It looks advanced, but it's really just 1, 2. First thing I ever teach anybody. 1, 2, 1, 2. I can do the switch step in place. Not going to cover any distance. And we actually use that sometimes, like let's say there's a wall behind me, and the guy's right in front of me, and I don't want to do this because it's not going to do anything. But I can't create space because there's a wall behind me, so I create space by doing this. That's the one that's in place. If you were looking at my head from the ceiling, my head would move. But I can also do this one. When I switch, I'm springing off that left leg. Like a gazelle thing. Right? Boom. Now that's 1, 2. 1, 2. That's everything. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 forward, 2 back. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. But just notice how this switch step, if you were looking at my head from the ceiling, it would go from here to here. Right? It would move along. So slide in right knee, slide out. Switch step left knee, step out. That's not